Hi there, coaster fans, and thanks for tuning into another park review edition from Big Guy Rides. Prairie Playland, located at Trader's Village, is the next small park that we went to go visit. This is a really unique park located at Trader's Village, which is sort of a walk-around flea market style park with rides and attractions in the middle, located right outside of Dallas, Texas. I came on a visit where I was also going to see Six Flags Over Texas, and I must say this was a really unique and really cool stop. I would definitely recommend it. For $19.99 all day, all rides, I thought it was a very fantastic value. The Prairie Screamer is their lone roller coaster, and this is actually the largest E&F Miler I believe that has ever been built. We give this one a ride rating 6 out of 10 and a size rating of an XL. The seats are a little bit tight to get down into, but the lap bar offers plenty of room for large belly riders. It will just be those who are very tall who may have issues. I do believe it has a height maximum of 79 inches. With that said, let's climb the hill and take a lap on the Prairie Screamer. What a ride that was on the Prairie Screamer. It was a little bit rough and bumpy, but I did enjoy my time. And up next we went over to Pharaoh's Fury. This is a swinging ship model found at a lot of different parks. This one actually had tighter lap bars than most of the ones I have been on. I gave it a ride rating 5 out of 10 and a size rating of an XL. It does have these single position bars that go over everyone in the row, and the ride op did have to come and push our row down just a little bit. But we did make it on, so let's take a ride. And up next we headed over to the Scrambler. I can honestly say this is one of the slowest Scramblers that I've ever been on, and I'm not sure why it was so slow. I give it a ride rating 4 out of 10 and a size rating XXL. I suppose that would be a good one for the family or people who don't like high thrills. And up next, we went on the Flea Fall. Really unique name for a tower. We gave it a ride rating 5 out of 10 and a size rating of an XL. This one has a pretty abrupt drop once you hit the top. So let's take a ride. What a fun plunge. And up next, we went over to the Star Dancer. Just a note on this ride, there are no single riders. We give it a ride rating 4 out of 10 and a size rating XXL. This is definitely one you will want to find a group or go with some friends on. It offers some really cool scenic views of the park and the surrounding Grand Prairie area. And after we hopped off that, we went over to Village Vortex. This is their Larson loop, and this one actually had larger seats than many of the other Larson loops I've been on. I give it a ride rating 5 out of 10 and a size rating of an XL. I generally can barely fit on a Larson loop, but this one I got on pretty easily, so let's take the spin. The Yo-Yo was the next ride we went to go try out. This is their swing ride, which I really liked, but I will say, this one has the chest straps, which makes it really tight for larger riders. I gave it a ride rating 4 out of 10 and a size rating of a large. Up next, another amusement park classic, the Wipeout. This is a really forceful ride made by Chance typically, and I give it a ride rating 4 out of 10 and a size rating XL. Singles can go alone, offering for plenty of space in a car designed for 2 people. I will say the larger rider should always sit towards the outside on this attraction. Freddy's Fender Bender was the next bumper car style ride that we got on. This is a ride rating 3 out of 10 and a size rating of a large. The cars are a little bit tight to get down into, but should you be able to sit down in there and get up easily, the seatbelt offers for a decent amount of room. And the last ride we went to do was the Carousel. This ride does feature bench-style seating, so anyone should be able to ride. I give it a ride rating 3 out of 10 and a size rating XXL. After we jumped off all the rides, we went over to the Village Food Court. They do have a grill and a Subway in there to stop and get some food. And with that said, brings to conclusion our short trip to Prairie Playland, located at Traders Village in Grand Prairie, Texas. I would definitely recommend this park if you've got a couple of hours free on your hands. I got through the entire thing in just under 2 hours. We thank you guys for watching Big Guy Rides. Remind you to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, when you're at the park, don't be afraid to try. Happy riding, everybody.